Dear students, once again welcome to science class. Okay, in the last session we have learned about different types of component. Okay, that is the different nutrients and their classification and their source, functions, etc. We have learned in the last class. Okay, in this session we are going to learn about what is roughage and water, why the water is important. Okay, and also we will go for balanced diet and we will need why we need to cook the food. Okay, in this session we are going to learn this content. After we move further, we are going to test the presence of starch in the food sample, and also we are going to test the presence of protein in the food sample, and also we are going to test in the fat present in the some food samples. Okay, in this session we are going to learn in these topics. Next we are going to learn what is roughage. Okay, first we are going to learn about what is roughage. Okay, roughage is also called as dietary fibers. Okay, where this fiber material is present. Okay, the source of fibers are majorly the plant product, especially the plant leafy vegetables is containing more fibers. Okay, these fibers is unable to digest to our body. Then why it is important? Because it is important for the proper digestion of the food. Okay, our body is unable to digest. These fiber materials are rich in cellulose molecule. Okay, this cellulose molecule is unable to digest to our body, but this cellulose molecule is able to digest some of the cattle such as cow, buffaloes, etc. Because some of the microorganisms present in their stomach is able to digest the cellulose molecules. But in our body, to our body is not digest this fiber material. Then how it is help us? It is help us to prevent constipation. Okay, the constipation it is lead to due to indigestion. Okay, so this fiber material is help us to proper digestion. Okay, likewise the fiber is very important. Okay, this fiber is also called as roughage, is also called as the dietary fiber. Okay, next we are going to learn about water. Okay, why the water is important? Let us see the water. It is nearly the 70% of water is constitute present inside of our body. It is equivalent to the earth is covered in the water. Okay, earth is also covered nearly 70% of water, and also our body it is presence of 70% of water. Okay, why the water is very important to our body? Now let us see why the water is important to our body. Okay, it is important to our body. It is present mostly. It is present in our blood plasma. Okay, it is regulate our body temperature. Okay, which one is regulate to our body temperature? Yes, the water is very important to regulate our body temperature, and also it is used for absorption of food material. Okay, after digestion it will converted into some energy. Okay, these are all called as the nutrient. This nutrient is absorbed to our body with the help of the water, and also this absorbed food it is transported each and every part of our body with the help of water only. Okay, and finally the water is very important to our body and excrete the waste material. Okay, without water molecule this waste material is not excrete out to our body. Okay, so what is excretion? The waste material present in the body, it is come out in the form of some nitrogenous waste such as the sweat and urine. Okay, these are all the waste materials is come out to our body with the help of only water molecule. Okay, now why the water is very important? Because it is absorption of nutrient and transport of nutrient in each and every part of our body, and also it is regulate our body temperature, and also it is needed for the proper excretion of the waste material to our body. Okay, these are all the uses of water molecule to our body. Okay, how many percentage of water present to our body? It is nearly the 70% of water is present to our body. Even the water is not give us any energy, then why it is important? Okay, these are all the importance of water. Okay, we all take nearly 8 to 10 glass per day. Okay, it is based on the person's body requirement. Okay, drink more water and keeps our body healthy. Now let us see what is balanced diet. Yes, the balanced diet is the diet that is need all the nutrient in proper adequate amount. Okay, that is the equal amount of nutrient are required to our body. Okay, it is including dietary fibers and water. Okay, these are all called as the balanced diet. Now let us see the cooking of food. Okay, why the cooking of food is very important. Okay, while we are cooking the food, it is turned into our food tasty and it is easy to digest. So only we are cook our food. Okay, what is the wrong method of cooking? Okay, it is over boiling and overheating of our food. It is lose of some nutrient. It is the wrong method of cooking. And also we are taken for the vegetable and fruits. Okay, once we have cut the fruits and vegetables, after it's go for washing, it is a totally wrong way. Okay, it is before cut, it is wash. It is the proper way of cleaning the vegetable and fruits. After cutting the vegetable and fruits, you are going to wash, means it is lose their nutrient. Okay, when the fruit and vegetable is go for washing, yes, before cutting. Okay, it is a correct manner to wash the fruits and vegetables. And also we will discuss for the vitamin C. Okay, the vitamin C is go for cooking. Okay, it is also lose all the nutrient in it. So the vitamin C we are taken in the form of raw food material, okay, such as the lemon juices, etc. Okay, that is a proper way of taking the vitamin C. The cooking of vitamin C is the wrong method of cooking. Now let us see what is a healthy cooking habit. Okay, wherever we are using the fruits and vegetable, okay, it is totally unpeel it. Why it is unpeel it? Okay, because the peels of the vegetables and fruits containing some of the vitamin and minerals. So it is unpeel the fruits and vegetables, and before it is properly wash it and use it. This is a proper healthy cooking habit, one of the healthy cooking habit. The next one, it is the over boiling. It is reduce or the losses of nutrient present in the food. Okay, in case lot of water present due to boiling of food, it is also losses of some nutrient. So the proper water is maintaining due to cooking time. Okay, that is one of the healthy cooking habit. And also we are before cutting the fruits and vegetable, we are going to wash. Okay, this is the one of the healthy cooking habitats. Okay, what are the healthy cooking habitat? Yes, that is the vitamin C. We taken up vitamin C, we are taken the raw vitamin C fruits such as the lemon juice, etc. Okay, vitamin C is a cooking is the wrong method. Okay, likewise the over boiling, overheating, okay, these are all destroy the nutrient present in the foods. And fruits and vegetable, it is wash after cutting, it is a wrong method. Okay, it is before cutting, it is wash it properly. Okay, these are all the healthy cooking habit. Now we are going to demonstrate the test the presence of starch in the given food sample. Okay, what are the materials required to performing this experiment? First one is iodine solution. Iodine solution is important to performing should check the presence of starch in the given food sample. And next, the petri dish and dropper. Okay, and also the food sample is very important. The food sample such as we are taken up the potato slices and it is rice powder to testing the starch. Next, take a potato slice or the rice powder in a petri dish and take a small drop of iodine solution. Okay, it is put into the petri dish containing the potato slice and the rice. Okay, it is slowly turn into blue black appearance. Why this blue black appearance is came? Because of the it is iodine present, it is present in the starch content within the food sample. Okay, so only the blue black appearance is turned. Okay, what is the observation of the experiment? Okay, you can observe the blue black color change. Okay, the blue black color change is the presence of starch molecule. Why this blue black color changes appear? Because the presence of polyiodine okay, within the starch molecules. Okay, the reaction between the starch and iodine molecule, okay, the blue black color appearance are appear. Okay, it is the presence of starch molecule. Okay, that is the observation of the experiment. Okay, and finally result. Okay, what is the result for the test? Okay, the blue black color change, it is interfere or the presence of starch in the given food sample we are taken. Next, we are going to test the protein is present in the given food sample. Okay, in this demonstration we need some material. Okay, that is the food sample such as egg, the white squash is needed. Okay, and also we are taken up the red gram powder. Okay, these are all the food sample we are test for the protein. It's need to test for the protein, and also it is needed some solution. The solution of caustic soda and the solution of copper sulfate is needed. Okay, these two are the is essential to check the protein molecule is present in the given food sample, and also it is needed of a dropper. Okay, and the test tube is important to take in the food sample. Okay, these are all the materials are required for performing this demonstration. The next, we will take a small quantity of food sample in the test tube and add a small drop of water and shake it well. After we will add the 2 or 3 drops of copper sulfate solution and also shake it well. Okay, after we will add 10 drops of caustic soda solution. Okay, leave it for few minutes. Okay, it is slowly turn into okay purple or violet color appearance in the test tube. These purple and violet color appearance is indicate the presence of protein in the given food sample. Okay, next observation. Okay, you can observe the purple and violet color appearance in the given food sample. Okay, it is the presence of protein in the particular food sample. Okay, the next result. The result, it is the protein molecule we are added the solution that is caustic soda and copper sulfate. It turn into violet and purple color appearance slowly. These appearances indicate the presence of starch. Okay, that is the result for this test. Okay, this test is also called as biuret test. Now we are going to test the fat present in the given food sample. Okay, what are the materials are required to performing this experiment? One, it is the presence of the food sample is groundnut or the almond we are taken, etc. Okay, it containing some oily vegetables. Okay, oil containing nuts or vegetables we are taken to testing this experiment, and also needed a paper. Okay, it is a very simple test. It is called as a paper test for the fat, and you will take a small quantity of food stuff and it is fold the paper and crush it. Okay, for example, we will take the groundnut in between the paper and fold it and crush very well. Okay, it some of the oily patches are appear. The observation of the experiment is these oil patches with the presence of fat molecule. Okay, that is the observation of this experiment. The next result, these oil patches which is present in the paper, it will prove the fat molecule is present in the particular food sample. Okay children, in this session we have learned about okay what is dietary fiber. Okay, it is also called as refuges. Okay, why the dietary fiber is very important? Because it is undigested food material, it is helps us for the proper digestion to our body. Okay, it is containing rich in fiber material such as cellulose. Okay, next we have discussed water. Okay, water is nearly our body's constitute 70%. It is important for transportation, absorption of nutrient, and also excretion and maintaining our body temperature. Okay, likewise the water is very important source of our body. Okay, next we have discussed balanced diet. The balanced diet, it is called as the proper or equal amount of food we are taken for the proper growth. That is called as a balanced diet. And after we have discussed the cooking of food and what way we are properly used to healthy cooking habitat, we are discussed in this session. Okay, after we will testing the 3 tests. One, the test for protein, test for starch, and test for fat. Okay, I hope these are all, it is very useful session for you. Thank you children.